Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your email with Dropbox, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password, then click on Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up to create a new one. Fill in the required fields for your new account, including your email address. After completing the sign-up form, click on Create an Account. Once your account is created, Dropbox will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Dropbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the email to open it. Inside the email, you'll see a button or a link that says Verify your email address. Click on this link to confirm your email. After clicking the link, you will be redirected back to the Dropbox website. You should see a message confirming that your email has been successfully verified. Once verified, you can access all the features of your Dropbox account. If you encounter any issues, ensure you entered the correct email address during sign up. If you've lost the verification email, return to the Dropbox website. Log into your account and look for the option to resend the verification email. Click on it, and check your email inbox again. With your email verified, you can now enjoy using Dropbox to store and share your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.